Alright guys, now let's fix this minus button and this remove button. Okay, so when I click on this remove, so this is telling me cart matching query doesn't exist. So make sure you are inside the you are logged in, okay, because this is not working in the working for the logged in users. Okay, if you're not logged in and if you're if you're not a logged in user, then it is actually working. Okay, so you can see minus and remove is also working. So make sure you are inside the logged in user. And now let me go to this cart, and now when I click on this minus button, this is not working. Okay, so first of all, let's go to this remove cart function. Okay, so this is inside the carts app and views, remove cart. So here we are taking the product ID, we are taking the cart item ID. Okay, so if we see the line number of the error, okay, so here you can see cart matching query does not exist. In the traceback we have this it is saying carts views line number 135. okay, so this is here remove cart and line number 135. let's see we have a line number 135 here. So here this is not getting the cart cart itself, because we are not doing anything with the cart, right, for the logged in users. So that's why it is showing me like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will just inside the try block, I will just make a simple condition here. If request dot user dot is authenticated, as we did before, is underscore authenticated. So what should we do? We should actually copy this line and paste it here. Okay, cart item equal to cart item objects get with the product and cart equal to cart. We don't need this now. Instead of this cart, we will say user equal to request dot user. Okay, and this ID will be cart item ID. Okay, and next, in the else case, we are actually bringing this cart here. Okay, cart, let's cut this cart from here and put it here, and this let's indent it over. So because this is where we were getting the error, right? So this code should only run when we are not logged in. Okay, so that's why we put it inside here. So now if I just save it and try that again, refresh, and let me click on this minus. Okay, now it is 4 and 3 2 1 and 0. It is just deleted. Okay, so similarly when I click on this remove and I say okay, so now this is giving me the same error. Okay, so the same fix for this also. What I'll do, I'll go to this remove cart item. Okay, this is the function. So here also I hope this is giving me 154. let me see. Yeah, this is 154. you see the same thing. What I will do, I will just, after we get the product, okay, we will say if request dot user dot is authenticated, I will just copy this line and put it here. Instead of this cart, I will say user and request dot user. Okay, and in the else case, first of all, this will come inside this else case, and to run this line we should need this cart as well. Okay, now I will put this cart here. Okay, so now what should happen? Now if I refresh, remove, okay, now this is removed. Okay, so if I try everything all at once, we add white, medium. Okay, so now this is plus is working, minus is working. Okay, remove is working. All right, so the next thing we need to do is we need to actually handle the situation where we are we are actually redirecting the user, right? So when I'm not logged in, when I added the product to the cart, we will just say this checkout is actually fetch, forcing the user to log in. But when the user is logged in, that actually it should take him to the checkout page again. Okay, so instead right now it is taking to his dashboard. Okay, so that is a problem now. So we will handle that, because there is one hint now. See, what is actually happening, Django automatically gives him the next login URL, right? So with using this one, we are going to redirect the user to the correct page. Okay, so let's see how we can take this in the next one. Okay, thank you.